Alright, okay. You see we have the taro, but it's at home and we have to go now if you want it.
I don't want the taro, I want their things from the shops. Soy sauce, latte, please.
Okay, we have the gogo Samoa. It's at home, but we have to go now. We bought it just for you.
I don't want the coco, I want the soy sauce, latte. No, the thing I saw on the television, that man, George. Cappuccino, please. Please.
Okay, fine. We'll go and get you a soy latte, and then we'll go home. Jesus.
What'd you say?
Jesus say.
Oh.
What's your sister?
She's hiding from me. I'm reporting for her. Hi. Hey, who's this? Hi, I'm Tilo. Hi.
Talofa, my name is Susan.
Susan! This is Susan.
Susan.
Yeah.
Where you come from?
Oh, I'm from Samoa.
Toia! Susan from Toia.
Hey, I was gonna say we should go get some lunch. Do you want to come?
I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry.
She
I want everything.
She doesn't eat like people food. She's like allergic.
Oh,
Yeah.
cool. We could go get some KFC.
I'm so hungry. No, I'm not hungry. It's alright. I just call my dad to come pick me up.
Perfect. And you can tell him that he wanted to go home, eh, Susan? Yeah. Bye, Susan.
Bye. It was really nice to meet you, Susan.
Bye. Bye, Susan. I'm so sorry about it.
You're being a dick. She could have come with us.
She wasn't hungry.
What's Samoan too?
Good.
Susan, do you want to come get some lunch? I'm
I hope you're all having a beautiful day out there in sunny Aotearoa. We have talked to some lovely individuals this morning and have plenty more coming up for you all in just a moment. But before that, it's time for lunch. So let's all take a quick break and refuel before we go out and tackle the rest of the